This car has a weird noise when you crank the engine, when you start your car. And this noise is getting louder, so let's try to diagnose.
Please help me, Autofix Guru. Go.
I can hear it from this side. Let's remove this cover first, then we can see more. Already it's the belt tensioner right there, because that sound changes every time while the engine is running. But we can do something more. With this environment-friendly device, we can be more specific. So all you have to do now is just to listen next to the pulleys. I can see the tensioner right there, so just easy. You can definitely hear that crispy sound from that tensioner. But now we're going to remove this belt and we'll feel those pulleys. We'll see what they have to say. So I made here a perfect sketch how my pulley belt is located. So you take this 17 wrench, you have here a tensioner right there. Can you see it?
Hardly.
Wait, can you see it now?
Yeah, better.
Yes. So that's the tension, and now I just need to move it to one of those directions. Yes. Like that. And normally the belt should come off.
There you go. Wow.
Now by just turning them like this, listen to each pulley. This one is perfect. Here is one. It has no play, and if you just turn it, no sound, nothing. Good. To perform another test, we're going to remove this belt, this one here, and then we will start this engine for, I don't know, 10 seconds, not too long, just to listen for any difference of engine sound. The belt is not in perfect condition. It has small micro fractures there, if you can see them. Can you see them?
Yeah.
All right. And it has here also just a piece of it came off. So this is...
Good signs of fusion.
Yes, it's a good sign to replace it. But let's start the engine and see what it can give us now. All noise is gone. Let's check now the water pump, which is located right there. Can you see one?
Yes.
All right, so I'm going to give it a spin and just listen. I don't know, can you hear this? But I hear a rattling noise inside that water pump. So this is not normal sound, and there is something definitely wrong with this bearing from this water pump. This one is 100% for replacement. So what I think, it's the water pump 100% and something with this bearing, the tensioner. I would replace it as well. That's the diagnose I can do with this car. If you like this kind of content, don't forget to like,